What's the meaning of cagey? Cagey. Cagey.
Cagey. Cagey. The term cagey refers to someone who is cautious or evasive, often in terms of sharing information or making commitments. It can be used to describe a person who is hesitant to reveal their thoughts or plans, or who is unwilling to commit to a decision. Being cagey can sometimes be seen as a sign of shrewdness or savvy, as it suggests that the person is taking a circumspect approach to a situation and not rushing into anything. However, it can also be frustrating for others who are trying to get a clear answer or direction from the cagey individual.